Hello my beautiful people, we are back again. Another simple recipe. Let's prepare eggless cake. It's very easy and it will not take you a lot of time. So let's view and watch.
This is fresh yogurt. I'm creating something. This is new. I haven't done some before, but I said let me create something. Yeah, so this is brown sugar, white sugar, and fresh yogurt here. And I'm not using butter, I'm using soya bean oil. So okay, this is my milk powder. So brown sugar, white sugar, fresh yogurt, milk powder, a little pinch of salt. So let's cream all together. I did not measure, but if you are in the house and you want to measure, you are free to measure it. Yeah. I'm adding vanilla essence. Okay, so I'm adding orange juice, small. I'm not doing orange juice, orange cake, but I just want a little flavor. And now this is lemon. I want to add a little to it so that the smell will be okay. Yeah. So I added a little lemon juice and a little orange juice. I just add it just because of the smell. We are not doing orange cake or neither lemon cake, but just the smell. I just want it. Yeah. You are doing a cake, no egg, no butter, just fresh yogurt, sugar, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla essence, fresh yogurt, and milk powder, a little pinch of salt. Then grease my pan for the cake. The oven is on. We have also heated the oven. So now this is the flour. Let's add our flour. Let's mix. You may ask why I did not add baking powder. Yeah, I will add baking powder because I want to add the flour before I can add the baking powder. Yes. So that it will not prove here. I want it to prove in the oven, not in the yeah. So I've mixed that. Now I'm coming to add the baking powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So now you can mix them together and put it in the oven to bake it. So I have mixed the dough. We are done for the dough. So now we are coming to put it in our baking pan and bake it. Yeah, so very simple. Soya bean oil, white sugar, brown sugar, fresh yogurt, milk powder, a pinch of salt, baking powder, vanilla essence, a drop of lemon juice, a drop of orange juice, vanilla essence, then our flour. We mix them together. I did not add any egg, I did not add any butter. So this is our dough. You can try some in the house. It's very simple. I did not add egg because I feel like I don't normally eat egg, but I decided that today let me do my own self eggless cake, and this is the dough. So now you put it here. Okay, so this is our cake here. So my lovely people, the cake is finally done, and it's hot. Yeah, it's so hot. Yeah, the cake with no egg, and if you smell the inside and outside, that is wow.